Hello, and welcome to Dark Web Monitoring Crash Course, Intelligence from the Underground. This is going to be an interactive session, and we are going to be going through 9 stages of Dante's Hell, or 5 stages of 2025 threat landscape and back. First, we will go through the $1 million ransomware story, a flesh and blood, real ransomware story from a couple weeks ago. Then we will follow that up with the Russian market, the most notorious English-speaking forum on the dark web, for credential abuse. Third, we will go through the free methods in 2025, including SOCRadar's very own dark web report, including the free licenses for advanced dark web monitoring, which I highly recommend, as well as CTI for SOC. Then we will go through the recent breaches in Chapter 4, where we will go through all these multi-million-dollar companies and what they did wrong to get breached. Fifth, we will go through the Dante's Inferno, the title of our presentation, 9 stages of hell and back, 5 stages of threat landscape in 2025 and back. Then will be the Telegram channels, which is the new gateway to Stealer as a Service hell, I would say. Then we will talk about black markets, where credentials and exploits are being sold or traded for a small price. 8 will be the ransomware special groups and their dedicated leak sites, DLS. And the final chapter will be the way forward, what we can do to stay abreast of this changing landscape. So let's start. Who am I? Well, my name is Emrah Alpa. I'm a senior technical enablement manager at SOCRadar with 20 plus years in cyber. Lately, I've been focused on threat intelligence and dark web. And if the opportunity presents itself, I like doing some techno music production.